What if you look at the financial statement and instantly understand what it is telling you? No confusion, no second guessing, just clarity. That is the power of financial mastery. And today, I'm giving you the key. Hi, I'm Sanaullah, certified management accountant and master in finance and fellow member of IMA USA with 15 years of corporate experience as well as teaching expertise of 5 years. I worked with startup Fortune 500 companies and also built a business from scratch. I have authors of finance books, trained professional globally and finalized financial statement of $1 million deals. Most people struggle with finance not because it is hard, but because no one taught them the right way. That is where I came in, and this course fixes that. We will start with the very basics and then we will move to the advanced level of financial management. You will learn how to prepare, analyze and finalize the financial statement based on US GAAP and IFRS. We will cover every single line item of balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, comprehensive income. You can check out into the syllabus of this course. You will master ratio analysis, trend analysis and financial metrics, turn number into actionable insight. And this isn't theory. This is the exact framework I have advised CEO, CFO and business owner to grow their business exponentially. Let me share you the quick success story. In my previous company, one of the founder was about to close their business, and when I was there in the board meeting, I have seen that financial statement and I noticed their EBITDA was positive and their cash flow was also positive. Then why they are going to close the business? So I find that last couple of years consistently this company is losing the money or they are not generating the profit. So I advise them, since their EBITDA is positive and their cash flow is positive, they can still run their business for couple of years. Meanwhile, we can improve their financial control, internal control, business process setup. Like this, we have worked with them for couple of years and now their business is running very smooth. They are generating profit. So how this is possible? As a finance professional, you are not only accountant, you are someone who can guide a company, who can help management to take right decisions. So this is only possible when you have good financial knowledge, and I will show you how to create that kind of clarity for yourself. What you will get throughout this course, you will get 150 plus MCQ to understand the core financial information and develop your financial knowledge, and a 500-page book with secret that professional charge thousands. And this is a global skills. Whether you are CA, CMA, SCCA, CPA, CFA, this course is designed for all kind of professional or anyone who is interested to develop and understand their financial knowledge. This course is for aspiring professionals, entrepreneurs who want to develop their financial skills so that they can take make or buy decision. Any finance professional who want to sharpen their skills, then this course is for them too. And very important, why it matter. Every decision you take, whether to buy a flat, buy a home, or investing in share, or doing your daily activity, everywhere you are taking decision that involve finance or cash. So you have to choose smartly whether to buy or rent, or you don't need to buy. So you will learn such kind of skills. Let me share you something personal. I believe finance is the birthright of every individual. A year ago, I had to choose between buying a flat or continuing to rent. I decided to buy that flat so that I can save the rent. But that is the one of the biggest mistake I made. I was stuck in my career. I was not having enough money to invest my education, invest in my skill development program. So I have decided I should sell this flat and invest in my education. That bold decision I took, and I invested all the money in my education. Now I have multiple resources of income as well as a good job. So I'm not dependent on job anymore. Imagine this. If you are walking into the board meeting and you have confidence, passion and understand the financial statement, you can spot the issue, risk, and in the meeting you can give value-added suggestion with confidence because you have knowledge. And someone who don't have knowledge and he is in the meeting, how he will feel. So that is what this course delivers, and the world reward those who speak the language of money. Don't let confusion hold you back. Enroll now for your future self. I will see you into the class.